Hello students. So our next topic is in circle of a triangle. In circle of a triangle means that is the circle is inside and the triangle is outside. In circle, inside the triangle there is a circle. Okay, and that's how the circle should be. The circle which touches all the sides of the triangle. See, you can see the circle which touches all the sides. यहाँ पे touch हुआ है this side and this side. Then we can say it's a in circle of a triangle. If we say, for example, if this is a triangle but the circle is like this, then we cannot say it's an in circle because it didn't touch here, it didn't touch here. So it should touch all the sides. All the side means three sides. 1, 2, 3. Then we can say it's a in circle of the triangle. And the center of the circle is called the in center. What do we say this as a in center? Because it is in the center of the circle also and the triangle also. Understood? Let's move further. So we are going to learn how to construct this in circle of a triangle. For this, we need to know how to construct an angle bisector first. So once we know how to construct an angle bisector, we can easily draw the in circle of a triangle, right? So now we will learn how to do a you have already learned in the lower classes, but still today as a revision we will learn once again. I will show how to construct an angle bisector. We will take one line here, that is simply any line. Okay, now I am going to take a 80 degree. I am going to show you how the 80 degree angle bisector. I am bisecting the angle now here. Okay, so here 80 degree means you also know how to take it. So I am keeping my protractor in the center, the point here. So I have taken here. So 80 degree. So 80 degree lies here. So I am putting a 80 degree here, the point. Okay. So now I am joining it. Okay, I have joined it. Now we are supposed to show how to bisect this angle. ये एंगल कितना डिग्री का है? 80 डिग्री का है. बाइसेक्ट करना है. बाइसेक्ट मीन्स क्या है? The line should, which it is the ray or a line which is going to pass segment, okay, which is going to pass here, it's going to cut this 80 degree equally. That means 40 degree में होगा. तो हमें वो कंस्ट्रक्ट करना है. तो इसके लिए कैसे करना है? First we will keep it in this one and take any centimeter. No need to take a degree or centimeter or anything, and like randomly I'll say it can be 2 or more less than 2 also. Take it. Why we want to take this one? We want to find the 2 points on this particular ray. A point चाहिए और A point चाहिए इसके लिए. Clear? Then after that what I am going to take, you can extend it. What if you can extend it? So I have extended. So after this I am keeping it here. I am sure I am going to construct like this. Okay, similarly I am going to construct from here also. Okay, so I have constructed. See, same whatever the 2 centimeter means 2 centimeter, I have marked it from here and similarly from here. So now I have to always, after marking the arc here, you have to find the center point here, intersection point. So I have found it, and this one I have to join it, this one, this intersection point and this point. So once I have joined, see, I have joined it and put an arrow here. Now if I find it in the compass here, okay, it comes properly the 40 degree. See here, you can see our 40 degree is made properly. So see here, है ना, ये पहला क्या था? 80 degree का था. You can see 80 degree in this. You can now see it. I am showing now again here. There see now, you can see this 80 degree में ये बराबर 40 degree में. So this is said to be an angle bisecting. The bisecting means what? 80 degree को हम आधा आधा करके now कितना हो गया? ये 40 degree और ये 40 degree. So this is the one we need for drawing an in circle. I hope this is very. First you will draw this one and see, like you can try it for 60 degree, 70 degree. Then if it is very clear, then we will go for the in circle. So we have learned to construct an angle bisector, right? So, but we have to construct an in circle. For the construction of in circle of a triangle, we have to draw bisectors of any two angles of a triangle. What does this statement means? That if this is a triangle, okay, this is a triangle, we need to draw a angle bisector like this in any two angles. Any two angles of a triangle. How many angles are there in the triangle? We have a 3 angle. 1, 2, 3. But the instruction says to draw in circle, we need to draw a angle bisector on any two angles. We can draw an angle bisector here also or here. Any two angles is enough. Not all the 3 angles is necessary. Okay, I know it may be confusing. After seeing the construction which I am going to draw, then it will be very clear for you all. One example here. Construct triangle PQR. We are going to draw a PQR here such that PQ is 7 centimeter, angle P is 70 degree, angle Q is 60 degree. Draw in circle of a triangle PQR. So I am going to show you how this construction has to be done here. For this, we have a steps how to construct it. We will do one by one. First steps is construct triangle PQR of a given measures. That means फिर से बता रही हूँ, इन सर्कल ड्रॉ करने के लिए हमें 5 स्टेप्स है, तो उसको हम एक एक फॉलो करेंगे. पहला क्या बोला है? कंस्ट्रक्ट ट्राइंगल PQR. सो आई विल शो हाउ टू ड्रॉ ए PQR विद द गिवन इन्फॉर्मेशन. Okay, firstly what we are going to do, we are going to draw a PQ. Before that we need to draw a rough diagram. Always we need to draw a rough diagram. So how the rough diagram we are going to draw? With just a without any measurement, one triangle. Okay, without any measurement, one triangle here. This is a rough diagram, so we need to measure only using a scale and a pencil. Okay, what they said, triangle PQR. If I am naming it, this is a PQ is 7 centimeter given, so I'll keep it this as a base. Okay, PQ is 7 centimeter. Angle P is 70 degree. I have drawn here. Angle Q is 60 degree. Done. Then we are going to draw a what? In circle. So you can draw like this in a free hand like this, showing we are going to draw like this. This is a rough figure. I am doing it like this. Okay, done and finish it off. Now I'll show how to do it by construction. Firstly, what we have to do, PQR. This is the point R here. So we will first draw segment PQ 7 centimeter. Okay, I have taken a scale here with a PQ 7 centimeter. So I am drawing 7 centimeter PQ. So once I have drawn a PQ 7 centimeter, yes my dear. Then after a 7 centimeter, this is to be named as a PQ, which is 7 centimeter. Done. Now 70 degree. Okay, there is no other length is given, so I am going to draw a triangle this 70 degree. So I have taken my protractor here 70 degree. So I should keep it here. You have learned in a lower classes how to draw a triangle and all this thing. The center of the point here, from here I am drawing a 70 degree. Okay, पहला हमें triangle draw करना है 70 degree here. Okay, so the point I have kept it. Now you can join this one. You can join it little bigger here. Okay, done. Yes, you have to do it very accurately, perfectly करना है, तभी बराबर इन सर्कल बनेगा. ओके, अभी तक ट्राइंगल नहीं बना है, मैं ट्राइंगल बना रही हूँ. अभी नेक्स्ट क्या है? 60 डिग्री. सो आई कीप माई प्रोट्रैक्टर हियर फॉर द 60 डिग्री फ्रॉम द पॉइंट Q. सो आई एम टेकिंग माई पॉइंट हियर. Okay, this is my 7 centimeter. I should keep my point properly. So I kept it here. I am doing which one, my dear? This is a 60 degree. I observe the 60 degrees here. Okay, when you keep this side, that time you have to see the lowest में नीचे का measure देखना है. जब this side रखते हो तभी ऊपर का measure देखना है. Okay, then you can join it. You can use a scale to join it properly. I am joining it like this. Okay, I am joining it. Okay, you can join it till bigger, and here I need to join it here properly so that there will be proper measurement here. Okay, so I have joined it, right? Yes. Now whatever the extra is there, you can do it by putting arrows and complete it. So our triangle is made. The first step is what? Construct triangle PQR. We have done. Next what? Draw the bisector of any two angles of a triangle. So we are going to draw a bisectors of any two angles of a triangle, right here. So there are how many angles we can see? 1, 2, 3. But any two side का चाहिए. तो याद है आपको angle bisector कैसे किया था? क्या करना है? We have to take a one side here and any measurement, and you can make an arc like this. Okay, I am drawing with a black pen so that it will be clearly visible for you. You have to use a pencil always for the construction. So now done here. Okay. After that, immediately you have to put a point here to identify where the point lies on, where the arc lies on this segment here. Then you can extend it. थोड़ा बढ़ा सकते हो, measurement देखने की जरूरत ही नहीं है, डायरेक्ट we can do it. Now you can take it like this. Okay, if you want to reduce it, ये बड़ा लग रहा है तो you can reduce it also. So थोड़ा छोटा करेंगे. तो यहाँ से now what I'm going to do, make an arc here from here. Okay, done an arc. Similarly, same measurement with the arc here. Okay, done. Now I have to make a point here where the intersection of the both the arcs done. So from here to here joining. So I have joined it like this. I am joining. Do it very perfectly and accurately so that your in circle will come properly. Done. Then extend it and keep it like this. Done. Whatever you have done, we have to do on the two angles. They said ना, draw the bisector of any two angles. तो ये एक साइड का हो चुका है. सेम यहाँ भी करेंगे. बिकॉज मैंने आपको पहला एंगल बाइसेक्टर ही सिखाया है कैसे करना है. तो यही करने आ गया तो आपका इन सर्कल अपने आप आ जाता है. ओके डियर. सो नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू डू द सेम वन हियर. ये कौन सा भी मेजरमेंट से कर सकते हो, कर दिया. देन कीप अ पॉइंट हियर, हियर ऑल्सो पॉइंट. देन नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू आपको इंक्रीज करना है तो करो, नहीं तो कम वैसे ही करके कर सकते हो. आप थोड़ा बढ़ा सकते हो. किया इधर से इधर, सिमिलरली इधर से. कीप इट एग्जैक्टली. ओके, नाउ मिला. यहाँ पे दो आर्क्स इधर मिला है. सो आई विल जॉइन इट नाउ. अगेन आई एम गोइंग टू जॉइन इट वेरी परफेक्टली so that there won't be any mistake. So I have drawn a two angle bisector here, right? Yes. Now done here. So I got it here. Now see what it is said. Now we have done a two angles of a triangle. Now said denote the point of intersection of angle bisector as a I. क्या बोला है, जो दोनों ये जो बाइसेक्टर और ये जो बाइसेक्टर आकर कहाँ मिल रहे हैं, इसको आई करके नेम दे दो. आई मीन्स इन सर्कल का ये है दिया है. थर्ड पॉइंट भी हो चुका है, पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन. फोर्थ क्या बोला है, ड्रॉ द बाई परपेंडिकुलर आई एम फ्रॉम द पॉइंट आई टू द साइड. We are going to draw a perpendicular base. How to do this one? See, this is the main point here. How to do? You have to keep your compass here. Okay, रख दिया. फिर रखने के बाद आपको दो आर्क ड्रॉ करने का है. कहाँ कैसे करने का, I'll tell you. You will draw an arc like this. See here, ये segment में we wanted on this segment, so I am keeping it same one. Okay, similarly here also. You can have it this also, no matter. किधर भी इसके कम भी आएगा तो भी चलेगा, ऊपर नहीं इधर नीचे. तो हमारा इधर हुआ एक पॉइंट और एक पॉइंट इधर आया है. ओके, हो गया है. इसके ऊपर नहीं आएगा तो और छोटा करना तो आप कर सकते हो. मैंने ऐसे कर दिया, इससे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. फिर आप क्या करोगे, हमने ये जो दो पॉइंट मिला है इधर और इधर, इधर रख के थोड़ा बढ़ा दो. फिर देखो कैसे करने का है. नाउ आई विल शो यू. यस, नाउ वी हैव मेड वन पॉइंट ना फ्रॉम आई. नाउ सी वी विल रीड इट. ड्रॉ परपेंडिकुलर. हम परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉ करने वाले हैं. तो कैसे करेंगे, इसको ऐसा रख के एक आर्क बनाओ बाहर की तरफ. ओके, ऐसा बाहर की तरफ करो. फिर इधर रख के ए पॉइंट में करो और कहाँ आकर मिलते हैं देख लो. देखा आपने कहाँ मिल रहा है. यस, अभी हमें कहाँ आकर मिल रहा है, दिस पॉइंट. सो दिस इज द पॉइंट हियर वेयर दे आर मीटिंग. सो नाउ वी विल जॉइन दिस पॉइंट. फ्रॉम वेयर, सी ड्रॉ द परपेंडिकुलर. ये जो हुआ हमने परपेंडिकुलर 90 डिग्री ड्रॉ कर रहे हैं. तो अभी हमने इसको बराबर ज्वाइन कर दिया. ओके, कर दिया है. आई थिंक थोड़ा इधर हो गया मेरे से, बट स्टिल यू डू इट वेरी परफेक्टली, नॉर इट विल नॉट कम एट ऑल. ओके, यस, डू इट लाइक दिस. यू कैन एक्सटेंड इट. देन डन. नाउ ये क्यों हमने फाइंड आउट किया है, because this is our center. See, draw a circle with center I and radius IM. This is to be named as a M. अभी हमारा रेडियस मिल गया है. तो अभी क्या करेंगे, अभी हमारा काम हो चुका है. वी हैव टू कीप इट. सी हाउ आई फाउंड आउट. अंडरस्टूड. ये पॉइंट कहाँ आकर ये दिखा रहा है, देखो. आई विल शो यू अगेन. ये दो पॉइंट, ये इंटरसेक्शन पॉइंट और ये पॉइंट को देखने का है. इधर से हम जब सर्कल ड्रॉ करेंगे, नाउ ये हमें मिल गया है. कौन सा, ये दो पॉइंट मिल गया है. इसके ऊपर से अभी हम सर्कल ड्रॉ करेंगे. बराबर ज्वाइन हो रहा है क्या करके, पहले एंड पॉइंट्स को देखो. Yes, we are getting it perfectly here. You can see we can draw perfectly here. See, exactly on the line it is coming it. Yes. Yes. So is it, see, you can see all the, the circle. The circle is touching all the three vertices, three sides. देखो ये circle इधर भी touch हुआ, इधर भी touch हुआ. So then we say that is an in circle. So this is the way. So you understood how to construct this in circle. So you are going to see each and every steps. You need not write this. This steps are for you to how to go for the next one. Okay. So we will recap again. What did we do? First we have constructed a triangle. Triangle बना दिया. Then we have made an angle bisector in this side and this side also. Sorry, this angle and this angle also. Okay. Once we have done a bisector, angle bisector, both the angles. Then what did we do? Then the intersection point is named as I, and from there we have from here the compass is kept and made a 2 arcs on this segment. ये PQ के सेगमेंट में हमें 2 आर्क्स चाहिए. इसके लिए हमने क्या किया, एक इधर से और एक आर्क इधर से मार्क किया. तो मिलने के बाद तुरंत हमने उसको पॉइंट किया है. हर बार आपका सही आना चाहिए, तो एक एक बार आप पॉइंट रखना मत भूलिए. आप पॉइंट रखोगे तो आपका आंसर रॉन्ग नहीं होता है. Then from here I made an arc and then we joined it, and finally this is the radius. Is it or not? See, you can see this is a circle and the radius is one, and with the help of this I have made a circle here. So you will try it out finally. So what did you understood? It's very clear to everyone. If any doubt you can ask me personally.